situation. So I live at Dorchester House, which in my personal opinion, is the best house, but I'll get onto that in a sec. Ups and downs. Ups, too many. We are the first stop. We're opposite Co-op. We're opposite Asda. We're opposite McDonald's. We are a walk away from Tesco. We are quickly from the coach station. The coach station's across the road. Literally, it's like a 2-3 minute walk. Thinking about ups, more ups. That's probably it off my head. Downs, our gym's not the best. It's okay. It's not the best. Downs. Sometimes it can be annoying coming from uni because obviously we're the first stop, so we're the furthest away. We get weekly checks. I mean, it's not a down, it's just more of an annoying thing. Like, every single week, someone comes in, checks our kitchen to make sure it's clean. And not our kitchen's always patterned, but when someone doesn't take out a bin, for example, let's say we leave it to the side, it's letter, email, if you don't take out your bin, you're getting fined. And even if it's not you, you are responsible for your flatmates, which is a good thing, but when you have unmessy flatmates, well, I was blessed. I've got very, very clean flatmates. So I was blessed. I got nice flatmates. Everything was bliss. But I know there's some other residents with their flatmates aren't as nice. So we won't talk too much, but yeah.